Yo.
It's time to spy on LEDs with Arduino. Hey there, tech detectives. Ever wondered if you have super eyes? Today, we're putting your eyes to the test with a blinking LED and some Arduino magic. But first, what's an Arduino? Think of it as a mini computer for inventors. We can use it to control lights, motors, and all sorts of cool stuff.
Exercise is to change the delay time in increments such that the LED blinks faster on each step. This is the LED. So your eyes can no longer distinguish on and off. So basically, I don't want to be able to, want to see this light blink so fast that I cannot even tell when it's off and when it's on. These are the time intervals in milliseconds.
Line 1. Int LED pin equals 13. This line tells the Arduino which pin the LED is connected to. Today, we're using pin number 13, but it can be different depending on your board. Think of it like an address for the LED. Line 2. Void setup. This is like the setup instructions for our detective mission. We're telling the Arduino what to do first. Line 3. Pin mode, LED pin output. We're basically saying, hey Arduino, that LED we connected, we want to be the boss of it and turn it on and off. Line 4. Void loop. This is the main part of our code. Everything inside this loop will happen over and over again. Kind of like how a detective might stake out a building, right? Line 5. Digital write, LED pin high. This line tells the Arduino to turn on the LED connected to pin 13. We're using the word high because that's the code for on in the Arduino world. Line 6. Delay 1000. This line is like the detective taking a break. It tells the Arduino to wait for 1 second, 1000 milliseconds, before doing anything else. Line 7. Digital write, LED pin low. Now the detective is back on duty. This line tells the Arduino to turn the LED off. We use low because that means off in Arduino speak. Line 8. Delay 1000. Another detective break. This time, the Arduino waits for another 1 second before continuing.
So I have here 500 and 500. I send it to the Arduino. And you can see here, it's blinking on and off for half a second. Upload. Change it to 50. You could hardly see it.